Hi, I'm Dr. Anmol and today we're going to talk about dark circles. Why is it important to know what's causing your dark circles? Because no amount of depigmenting creams will be able to help treat them unless the underlying cause is treated as well. So what are some of the common causes of dark circles? Number one, genetic or hereditary factors. If you have dark circles that started very early on around childhood and are present circumferentially around your eye, with other members of the family being affected as well, then your dark circles could be familial or genetic. Number two, persistent rubbing and scratching of the skin around the eyes. So if the skin around your eyes tends to get excessively dry and itchy and you tend to rub it often, that can lead to subtle inflammation and ultimately cause darkening of the skin around the eyes. The solution to such dark circles is very simple. All you have to do is moisturize well, particularly of the skin around the eyes. You have to keep it moisturized so that it does not itch that much. You don't tend to rub it, and that will really help your dark circles in this case. Number three, excessively thin skin of your eyelids. So especially in people who are very fair and have a very thin skin of the eyelids, the underlying vessels tend to reflect more prominently, and that also leads to appearance of darkening under the eyes. These kind of dark circles will be more towards the inner part of your eyelid, and they, especially for girls, they would tend to become more prominent around your periods. And there's a simple test to identify whether this could be the cause of your dark circles. All you have to do is manually stretch your eyelid skin, and if the dark circles tend to worsen or become more apparent with that maneuver, then this could be a likely cause for your dark circles. Number four, a very prominent tear trough. So you have to understand that the anatomy of your facial features also plays an important role in the appearance of dark circles. If you tend to have a very prominent tear trough depression, which is nothing but the area that this hollow portion under your eye that extends from the inner part of your eye towards your cheekbone, some people have a very sunken or very deep tear trough that tends to cast a shadow and make the dark circles look more apparent. Also, sometimes progressively as we age, there's loss of fat in the area around the eyes, or in excessively thin people also there's loss of fat in the area around the eyes. That can lead to a more sunken, a more depressed tear trough depression, that is the hollow under your eye, and that can also lead to more apparent dark circles. And finally, very importantly, lifestyle related factors like stress, lack of sleep, excessive smoking, alcohol, and sun exposure all can contribute to your dark circles. So let's talk about the types of dark circles. This is basically based on what's causing your dark circles. So number one is pigmented type. Pigmented type is the dark circles which are caused by increased darkening of the skin under your eyelids. That is, there is more pigmentation of the skin under your eyelids, and that's what's causing your dark circles. These would typically have a brownish hue. Number two is vascular dark circles. Dark circles which are mainly being caused by increased congestion of the vessels under your eyelids. Now, if the vessels under your eyelids become congested, which can be caused by lack of sleep, on top of that, if you have a very thin skin of your eyelid, on top of that, if you have a fair complexion, these three factors can contribute to the area of the skin under your eyes to become more dark, and this is vascular dark circles. These would typically have a bluish purplish hue. They would be more on the inner aspect of the eye, and they would be associated with slight puffiness under your eyes, and they would also tend to become worse during your menstruation. Number three is structural dark circles. These are caused by the anatomy of your facial features. That is, if you have increased hollowness under your eye, that can cast a shadow and cause the area to appear more dark. These would typically be skin colored, and when you stretch the skin under your eyelids, these would tend to improve because they're being caused by the shadow effect of the increased hollowness. And finally, you have the mixed type, which is a mixture of a little bit of all the three components. And why is it important to know the type of your dark circles? Because the type of your dark circles will determine the most suitable treatment option for them. So a lot of people ask me, what is the treatment for dark circles? And I always tell them that it's not one treatment for all kinds of dark circles, because there are so many types of dark circles. The treatment really varies person to person depending on what's causing your dark circles. So now, if it's the increased pigmentation of your under eye skin that's causing your dark circles, then depigmenting creams are a good option for you, or chemical peels may be another good option for you. If your dark circles are being caused by the increased vascularity of the skin under your eye, because the eyelid skin is too thin and the vessels tend to reflect more prominently, then lasers may be a good option for you. If your dark circles are the structural type, caused by increased hollowness of the skin around your eyes because of loss of fat, then hyaluronic acid fillers are a good option for you. If your dark circles are related to lifestyle factors, like you're not getting proper sleep or there's a lot of stress, then these things are to be managed as well. If there's excessive sun exposure, then you need to use broad spectrum sunscreen around the eye area as well, or use UV coated sunglasses to protect the area around the eye from harmful UV radiation. If your dark circles are caused by increased rubbing or scratching around the eyes, then it's important to correct that by moisturizing well around the eyes. So different treatment options are available depending on what's causing your dark circles. There's no one standard treatment for all, and that's the most important thing to understand. Finally, there are certain home remedies that can help you. You can definitely try them out. In some cases, there are very good results. Number 1, coffee mask. Number 2, potato and cucumber mask, and coconut oil. I'm going to put the details on how to go about these masks in the caption below, so you can read them, try them, and see if any of this works for you.